Hey everyone, this is Luke with Silver Lake Bison Farm, and I wanted to share with you 3 key steps to know about raising your own meat birds, also known as broilers, also known as chickens. First, the first 3 weeks of their life, they stay in what we call a brooder. This is what's right behind me, where they have access to a heat source, food, and water, helping keep them alive those first few weeks. A good rule of thumb is 4 chicks per square foot. This brooder is from the Sheraton Park Farms plans and holds up to 75 birds. It's 18 square foot. I've been really happy with it. It's done us really well. Second, after 3 weeks, they are moved here to the chicken tractor, which is behind me. This tractor is from Chicken Range Coop, and it's a 12 by 12. A good rule of thumb is 1.5 square foot per meat bird in the tractor. So since this is 144 square foot, it can hold up to 95 to 100 birds. We've been moving the tractor each morning and evening to provide fresh pasture for these buddies that will be soon in the freezer. After approximately 8 weeks, you'll want to butcher your birds. If you want smaller birds, you can start as early as 7 weeks, or if you want large ones, you can butcher at 9 weeks. You don't want to go past 9 weeks. When you do, you risk them getting too big and dying, essentially. So as far as butchering goes, you can obviously do it yourself, or if you don't want to purchase all that equipment, take the time, you can find a local Amish family, or there's poultry houses around that you can take them to that'll do the butchering. There you have it, 3 key steps to put healthy chicken meat on your family's table. This is our first time raising meat birds, and we're learning a lot. Put any questions you may have in the comments. We'll do our best to answer them based on what we're learning. Thanks so much for supporting the farm.